And as the cavalry charge into the straight for the McDowell Indian Derby final run, and it's Revelation now kicking clear. She's about 3 lengths ahead of Aeolus. They're followed on the very wide outside that potential side of the winning force. And Revelation is 8 lengths clear of this field. The winner of the Indian Orchid running away with the McDowell Indian Derby. Revelation.
As they pass the 200, Keel Oil from Cordon Bleu and Enrico. Cordon Bleu on the outside from Enrico. Cordon Bleu from Enrico. Cordon Bleu from Enrico. Cordon Bleu holding on to the lead. Wins by a length and a quarter from Enrico.
From Sergeant Tatam is galloping strongly up on the outside. Then there is Temerity, but it is going to be Sergeant Tatam from Hall of Famer battling back. Sergeant Tatam from Hall of Famer. It's Hall of Famer from Sergeant Tatam. Hall of Famer 3/4 of a length ahead. Hall of Famer wins the Indian Derby from Sergeant Tatam. Temerity.
It's Alluring Silver from Juliet, Alluring Silver from Juliet, Alluring Silver with Suran Renu has won the Indian Top Invitation Cup for the Poonawalla family. What a moment this is.
Comes Lionel and way behind his grandpa, but going inside the last 200, it is Touch of Grey, gets the measure of Naughty Chama, way behind his Rolling Dynasty, and it's all going to be Touch of Grey, the son of top class, adding yet another feather in his cap, winning the South India Derby Stakes in fine style from Naughty Chama. Sardar it is from Diff coming up on the outside, then the Shamrock followed there by Forever Pinnacle Point, but going inside the last 200, it is Diff and P. Trevor driving out. Shamrock coming with Giant Strides up on the outside. It could be a close call. It is Diff and Shamrock, but Diff it is the winner of the Wolf 777 South India Derby Stakes.
2 lengths ahead of Star Superior is Sir Cecil from Star Superior, but Sir Cecil a length and a half in front of Star Superior. Sir Cecil maintains the winning form, 8 of 8 from Star.
Being cornered on the outside by Zakat, and here comes Juliet with a tremendous gallop on the outside, and it's going to be Juliet with Zuccarelli on the wide outside. Then the Star is Born Chopin, Souza way behind. Into the last 100 meters they go, and look at the filly Juliet, who's 3.5, 4 lengths in front of Lagarde. Juliet, third time lucky. She wins the Indian Turf Invitation Cup